Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn on or off notification in Grok app. So to enable or disable notification, first open Grok app on your device. Now click on two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and then click on profile icon at top left corner again. Within this section, click on notification option under app and now you can enable or disable Grok response notification from there. Just turn on the toggle right to it to enable notification and disable the toggle right to it to disable notification. And if you want to disable or enable all kind of notification of Grok app, then open settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down to bottom and click on apps and within this section find Grok app and click on it. And that's it. When you customize your notification, you will start receiving notification on your device. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.